Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off or stop the apps running in the background on your Android device. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to turn off or stop the apps running in the background, let's go to our settings of our phone. And after going to the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list and you can see the about phone. Tap on about phone, and after that, after landing on here, tap on software information again. First, you will be required to enable the developer mode on your phone. To do that, or to enable the developer options on your phone, tap on the bill number 3 or 4 times like this, and you can see the developer mode has been already been turned on my phone. And if you turn and tap it on like this, you will be also able to turn on the developer mode. First, turn on or enable your developer mode on your phone, and after that, the developer mode will be shown to you at the bottom of the screen, just below the about phone. Tap on developer options like this, and over here you can see all these options. And just below the OEM unlocking bootloader already unlocked, there is the running services. Just above the picture color mode, tap on running services, and over here you will be able to find all of the apps running on the background of your phone, and you can see all of these apps. And now if you want to disable or stop the background apps which you don't need, you can simply go and select the one which you don't need, and after that you can see, let's go back, and after that select the one. Now to disable or turn off the app which you don't need, tap on there, and you can see the stop option available at over here. Tap on stop, and services that you don't need which are running on the background will be disabled. Same for every one of these services, but my phone needs all these services, so I'll not be disabling them. And there guys, this is how you turn off or stop apps running in the background of your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.